Do you want to start your own successful wig business without spending a fortune on stock, dealing with bad factory experiences, or pouring money into ads? Let me show you how to flip wigs the easiest, stress-free way possible. Hello, my name is Margaret Dukony, the founder of Blessedluv. I've helped countless beginners start their own wig business. More like countless people stole my idea. Just saying. And now I am here to help you. With over 22 years experience in the wig industry, I've seen it all. The mistakes, the challenges, and the opportunities. That's why I have crafted this one-on-one wig flipping business challenge to help beginners like you avoid the costly mistakes or pouring money into ads. Doesn't work. I will teach you how to flip your first wig for profit using exact method that has worked for me and countless others over the years, all in the most cost-effective and stress-free way possible. Just imagine building a profitable wig business without all the headaches. I will guide you step by step on how to flip your first wig for profit quickly and easily. Whether you have never sold a wig before or you're just looking for a fresh start. Picture yourself taking your kids on holidays, feeling financially secure and having the freedom to give generously to others, which would all be thanks to your successful wig business. That is just an amazing feeling. Don't wait. Save your seat now for my one-on-one wig flipping business challenge before I transition it into a group challenge. This is your chance to get personalized, hands-on guidance that I may not offer again once it's in a group setting. Don't miss this unique opportunity. It's your time to rise in faith, reign in wealth. This is your destiny. Say amen. I'm celebrating you.